It's a hospital known for babies. Methodist Women's Hospital has helped families all across Metro welcome their new bundles of joy.
But the hospital was running out of space, sometimes forced to send NICU families elsewhere for care. Today, a new wing is solving that problem. Reporter Megan Stewart shows us the new addition built to help save lives.
If you can imagine the delicate balance happening here for this expansion, right behind these doors, we've got sleeping babies on one side in the neonatal ICU. On the other side, we've got construction working on a $19 million project.
He was 2 pounds, 13 ounces. He was a little guy, 15 3/4 inches, and you can see he's quite well right now.
Kurt Caesar is standing with his wife and healthy baby boy inside the new expansion of the neonatal intensive care unit at Methodist Women's Hospital.
It was the staff that was here from day one, the first moment that he took his first breath, which in that room with 15 different people in there, the only way I can explain it is organized chaos. And it's so well scripted, it's like a story.
The adjacency to the existing hospital operations, the ORs are below us, the NICU adjacent to us.
Leaders say the expansion was unlike most construction projects.
The irony of what this project did was almost everything we do in construction generates noise, generates vibration, generates dust. All of those things are things that are life and death scenarios to the patients that we're right next to.
Just one of the many aspects about this new expansion is a room just like this. There are actually 5 of these that can hold twins, triplets, all the way up to quintuplets right here in the NICU. And it includes more areas for family members to relax.
Over the past probably 2 years, there have been multiple times when we've had to transfer babies out because we didn't have room for them. And we hope that in the future we won't have to do that anymore. Get a little emotional about that.
The expansion nearly doubles the amount of rooms available for patients, from 28 to 51, hopefully meaning no families will get turned away again.
I just want to say thank you. This new addition is going to mean so much to so many people and to so many babies.
This new expansion will be open to patients starting on the 18th. Reporting right here in Omaha, Megan Stewart, 3 News Now.